Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to insert or add videos to your Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, for this video, it will be applied only for Word or documents in presentations for PowerPoint. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we are just going to any document so we can be able to start like inserting our videos. So here, let's go for the Word, and basically we are just going to any document. And now, if we go to the insert menu, you will be able to start like adding videos, but only the online videos. So as you can see here, there is this media menu, and from there you can be able to start add online videos. Make sure that you are on the compatibility mode, and basically let's just go to the file menu, and from here we can go to info. So here let's just like go to compatibility mode, and I'm just going to click on OK. As you can see now, we are able to start adding online videos. So you can choose like the source or the address or the URL for your online video. As you can see, those are the supported video providers: only YouTube, Vimeo, TED, and SlideShare. And basically that's the only option available for Word. And basically for PowerPoint, you will be able to simply go to PowerPoint, and then you can add any type of media that you would like. So here we go to insert, and basically you will be able to start drag and dropping videos or pictures or whatever. So let's just go to pictures or to stock image or whatever. If we go to this device, you will be able to start like adding uh, all files or all pictures. You can also just simply drag and drop some videos. So you will be needing just to search for any video and drag and drop it into your presentation, and it will be inserted automatically to your presentation. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.